Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Capricorn. Capricorn people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So we have Wheel of Fortune. Capricorn, this is your current energy. It seems like you are enjoying the best time of your life right now, okay? Or perhaps you have wished for something in life and that thing has appeared in your life, or you must have manifested something in your life and that thing is appearing in your life, okay? So you are being somebody who is feeling top of the world right now, okay? You wanted something to happen in your life and that thing is happening for you. Everything is going as per your own wish, okay? This is the best time of your life, whatever you are going through or whatever you are enjoying right now, okay? Divine is with you, universe is with you. Whatever you will do is definitely going to give you the benefit, okay? You are feeling you are feeling fortunate, you are feeling blessed, you are feeling gratitude towards divine, you are feeling blessed, you are feeling thankful. All right, this is your current energy, Capricorn. And on the other hand, we have Six of Pentacles and Eight of Wands. This is your partner's current energy. It seems like with these two cards, first is that your person must be waiting for some kind of a communication or some kind of a confirmation from somebody, okay? On the other hand, they are also being somebody who is giving the most valuable thing to somebody else, okay? Perhaps it is you. They are ignoring you and they are giving all their time and efforts to somebody else who don't need it, okay? Who don't deserve this, okay? A person who never ever deserve their attention and affection. On the other hand, they are not giving you anything, okay? And perhaps they are also being somebody who is waiting for some kind of a confirmation in their life. They are waiting for somebody to come forward and talk to them, okay? So some communication and some confrontation they are looking up, okay? Oh, is it that I feel that they are waiting a communication from you and hence they are ignoring you because they want to, okay, I feel that they just want to catch your attention. They are just being attention seeker, okay? That's why they are ignoring you, because they want you to come forward and talk to you, talk to them, and that's why they are ignoring you. They are deliberately ignoring you, Capricorn. That's what I'm feeling, because they want you to talk to them, they want you to confront something to them, they want a confirmation from your side, okay? Only then they'll give you something. Otherwise they are completely going to ignore you. I don't know, okay? So these are your partner's current energy. Now let's see what you feel about each other. What you feel about each other. What you feel about each other. What's happening? What you feel about each other. Oh my god, Two of Cups, Five of Wands. You see them as somebody, or you feel about them that yes, this is the person with whom I can share my life, okay? This is the person with whom I can share my emotion. And you see them as somebody with whom you can spend rest of your life, okay? You have found them as somebody who is the other half or your better half, okay? You really, or you genuinely wants to share your emotions with them. You genuinely wants to uh, listen what they are thinking about you at this point of time, or what they are thinking about this relationship. Okay, so you see them as somebody who is completely into you, or I would say you see them as somebody who really I mean, it's your perception towards them that, hey, this is the person for me. Okay. On the other hand, your person feels about you that you are being somebody who has a lot of conflicts in your own heart and mind. For them, you are the most confused person. Okay, you say something and you do something. Okay, you thought something and your action never matched to your words. Okay, so they feel that you are somebody who is completely confused. They see you as a confused person. They see you as somebody who doesn't know where they should move ahead in life, and that's why they are feeling, that's why they are waiting for a solid confirmation from your end. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who's who think in a different manner, or who take action in a completely an opposite direction. So they do not rely on your words now. They really want you to come forward and give something solid in this relationship. Only then they will spend time with you. They'll give time to you. They'll give emotion to you. Okay, and they'll give attention to you. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. The Chariot. Okay. It seems like with this Wheel of Fortune card, I told you that you are enjoying the best time of your life. You are feeling fortunate. You are feeling blessed. Okay, and whatever the thing you have manifested in past, that thing is appearing right in front of your eyes. Okay, and with this Chariot card, I feel that when it comes to take an action towards this person or towards this relationship, you are being somebody who has who is very determined to take action now. Okay, you feel that it's okay, I have to take action now, and I should take action now. If I want this person in my life, I have to take action, otherwise this person will be out, they'll be gone. Okay, it's your fear who has given you this fire that, okay, no, I have to chase this person, this person belongs to me, I want this person in my life. Okay, so that feeling of losing them, that thing has given you fire. Okay, and that's why you are being somebody who wants to control this relationship. Okay, who you want this relationship to go or to function as per your own wish. All right, on the other hand, when it comes to them with this 7 of Wands, they are being somebody who wants to take an action towards you, but yes, they are also somehow, and sometimes they also feel confused. Okay, because you are not giving any proper hint to them. Okay, what you are up to, what is going on in your mind. So they feel that what if I take a solid action towards this person, and this person rejects my offer, then what will I do? Okay, so I feel that they have a lot of options in their life, but eventually they are definitely going to choose you. So they are just waiting for you to confront your emotions. So, and yes, they have made up their mind. The moment you will come and talk to them, they are definitely going to accept your proposal only. Okay, now let's see what you guys are thinking in this relationship, or what you feel in this relationship. What you feel in this relationship. 3 of Wands. Are you guys into long distance relationship? Because with this card 3 of Wands, it seems like you and your person, there is a lot of difference between you and them. This difference could be on emotional level, this difference could be on geographical level. It could also happen that this person must be living in some other part of country, or some other continent, or some other country. Okay, so I feel that there is a distance between you and them. Or perhaps you feel that, okay, it could also happen for you, Capricorn, that you are taking your own time to confront your emotions. Okay, you are taking your own time to express your feelings in front of this person. Okay, because you feel that if I am going to commit something, I'll be on my words. Okay, I won't give any false commitment. I do not give any false commitment. So if I'm giving any kind of commitment to this person, I'll abide my words. Okay, and hence you are taking your own time. All right. On the other hand, we have 8 of Pentacles. Capricorn, this person feels that they have to give a lot of efforts in this relationship. All right, don't take it personally, but yes, they feel that when they think about you, and when they feel that, okay, we can, take this relationship on next level, or whether we should take this relationship on next level, they feel that it's them who needs to put all their efforts in this relationship. Okay, and I feel that they are doing their best. Okay, just to be in this relationship, or just to make you realize that, hey, I'm here, and if you really want me, then you have to do something for me. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them, and what is the future potential. Hierophant. Okay, a lot of discussion is going on, be it on your side, be it on their side. I think it's you who is talking to who's talking to your own friends or family members. Perhaps you are perhaps you are being somebody who is not able to think in a straight line. What should I do? If this person is saying this to me, what does it mean? Okay, perhaps you guys are being somebody who's taking guidance from your own family members, your own friends. Okay, perhaps you guys are taking some counseling sessions also. All right. On the other hand, we have 9 of Pentacles. This is the future potential of this reading or this relationship. Capricorn, I feel that it's your person with this 9 of Pentacles, and I'm seeing after with this card, you are not going to confront your emotion in future as well, because you are doing your own task. Okay, because you are doing your own homework. Okay, you are not being somebody who don't want to get into any kind of problematic relationship. Okay, you are taking your own time. So in future as well, I'm seeing that this person is going to pretend that, hey, I don't need you, I don't need anybody in my life, I am very much happy in my own skin, I'm very much happy in my own life, I'm independent, I'm self-sufficient, I'm really happy in my life. But yes, at some point of time, they also feel alone, they also feel aloof, and yes, chances are there that they must be waiting for you in future as well. So whatever the action you are going to take, or whatever the action you are thinking to take, please do it fast. Please do it fast. Okay, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do in this point of time. What angels are asking you to do. Remain positive. Okay, so Capricorn, whatever the situation you are facing right now, whatever the situation you are going to face in future as well, you have to remain positive if you really want this person into your life. If you really want to be with this person for the rest of your life, you have to be remain positive. Okay, because if you are chasing them, and if they are taking their own time, then you need to assure them that, hey, I am the one for you. Okay, but in all that process, you should not give up on any situation, you should not give up on them. All right, Okay, so Capricorn, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Cancer and some of you could be dealing with Taurus. We have fire sign in this reading: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 3 of Wands. Some of you could be dealing with Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this 9 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, and 8 of Pentacles. And some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, with this 2 of Cups. Alright, so Capricorn, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye, and stay home and stay safe. Thank you.